Hi, my name is Tanya, and today I am recording my second presentation. So, these are the requirements for our second presentation. So, I will first go to my VM. So, this is the margin which I already have created, and it has the division of the gross profit by revenue. Now I'm just going to test this. So this is giving me an output for the margin. Now I have already published the package for Go Operational. Now I'm going to go to the IBM Cognos and I will go to my Author Advanced Reports. I'm just going to open my Go Operational. And I will allow the access and create a new report, and I will consider a list. Now if I will consider my gross profit, revenue and margin, and if I run the report in HTML, so this gives me an output for the margin. Now if I open my margin expression, and if I will choose all of them, and if I test the columns, so it gives me an output for the margin. So this is basically giving me a division of the gross by the revenue. So now if I aggregate the equation and if I test it again, so it gives me an answer which is actually not correct. So in the embedded calculation, basically in the margin over here, it is giving me the aggregation done after the sum product. So it is aggregated, that is, it is taken a single value first of revenue, then of gross product, and then it is giving me aggregate. So it will give me a division of the gross product by revenue, and then it will give me the aggregation in embedded calculation. Now in order to get a correct answer for the margin, I will be creating a standalone calculation. So now in order to create a standalone calculation, I am going to go to sales fact and I am going to edit definition, and in margin over here I'm going to right click and convert it to a standalone calculation. Now I'm just going to validate this and I will say okay. So as you can see, there is a margin standalone calculation. I'm just going to move it near margin over here. Okay, so now I will just change the regular aggregate from sum to calculated. Okay, and now this will the standalone calculation will basically help me not only to get aggregated, like to get the aggregation not of the division. It's going to basically give me the aggregate of gross and of gross profit and aggregate of revenue, and then if you divide it, it will give me the margin, which is the correct answer that we are looking for, the margin. So I will delete the old one. Okay, so right now the foundation objects view has margin, but our consolidation view still has the old margin that we had created with the embedded calculation. So I'm going to copy the margin, which is a standalone one, and I will just paste it here. just going to copy this and I will paste it here. One second. Okay, yeah, we'll just go to the consolidation view. I'm gonna paste it here. So we have the standalone calculation here, and I'm going to delete the old margin. So now we have added a new calculation, a standalone calculation. So I will have to publish the package again. So if I go to the Go Operational packages, and I will publish the package, and I will publish it. So it will be a yes. Okay, and finish. So now my package is published. Okay. So I'm just going to publish. Okay. So now I will go to the Author Advanced Reports, and I will open the Go Operational package. Allow access, and I will create a new report with list. So now I will have my gross profit, revenue, and the new standalone margin column that we create, calculation that we created, and I'm just going to run the report in HTML. So this here we have got 41%, which is the correct value. So in the standalone calculation, the aggregation that we needed for gross product by revenue, so this is the correct output that we have got. So this was the end of my presentation. Thank you.